Hey guys, it's Lauren from rustichoney.com and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd bring you along as I'm slowly putting out some of the fall touches around the farmhouse, adding those little cozy elements, and not quite moving into Halloween yet, although I am so excited and very ready for that season. If you're a Halloween decorator, definitely subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications because I am so excited for that season to be here. But right now I'm just kind of in that limbo in between stage. I need to clean the house a little bit as I go and then put out those fall touches. So if you're looking for some fall decoration inspiration, come along with me today and we'll decorate together. All right, let's get started here in the dining room. We have a see-through fireplace, so I always decorate the back side of our fireplace here as you come in, our French doors. The other side is kind of our family room with the TV. So this is just like my extra mantle, I guess, if you will, that I get to decorate for the season. So I always start here. I don't know about you guys, but fall has been going by so quickly for us. I get really busy with my business, traveling on the weekends. So it's nice when we have a Saturday at home. This specific Saturday that I'm actually decorating, my husband was sick, so it gave us a good reason to stay home. I hate that that was the reason, but at the same time, it was really nice to stay home and kind of nest for once because we are a small family on the go all the time with young kids and farm life and busy business. So it's nice to stay home and get cozy. It was so nice to take the time to refresh our home a little bit too, because I feel like, you know, I had the patriotic stuff out all summer long, even through Labor Day. That's usually just, I set it and forget it. I think I talked about that in one of our videos this summer, but it was really nice to get out more of the earth tones and those cozy pieces to bring in, and then just to put away summer once and for all. And just get ready for the next season ahead. I pulled everything out and I made my dining room table the go-to area for all the decor. I really like to do that, and I pull pieces that maybe I use in other seasons as well. I did grab a pumpkin at Hobby Lobby that I could not resist, but I definitely try to use what I have as much as possible. Try to be, you know, minimal in that way and really try to be creative with what I already have so that I'm not just buying a bunch of decor every season, although I do love to shop for home decor, don't get me wrong. Speaking of which, I did get a few pieces at a local shop called Four Phillies. I know I've mentioned them here before. They were having a home decor sale and there was just so many things and too many good deals that I could not pass up. So I got some pieces that I felt like were really cute but also functional for nearly any season. I bought that wooden scoop. I got some brushes, and in the meantime, I'm actually going to use these brushes, but in the meantime, they'd been sitting on my counter in a bag, so I just wanted to make the area look cute. So I put them on that new marble plate along with that little bell jar, and I just thought it was a nice little quick centerpiece for the kitchen there. I also wanted to get out my pillow covers for the fall. Rustic Honey, my business, we make our own pillow covers, and I love a good pillow cover because you can change them out, and they're, you know, you can change them out for the season but still store them away really easily instead of having the full pillow. So I had to break out some of the pumpkin ones and a new blanket that I also got on the Four Phillies sale. I cannot resist a good cozy blanket this time of year. It's absolutely my favorite thing. As you can see, we spend a lot of time on the couch, hence the little feet there in that video. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for fall? My thoughts exactly. So on to the fireplace. Again, this is on the other side of the fireplace. Yay! Yay! little one in the background here. Well, as we're recording today, I bought this huge candle at the Walmart clearance section, and I wish I would have gotten more because it fit my big lantern so well. And it's not battery powered, or it is battery powered, sorry, but it does not have a remote. That's the only thing I would change. I love candles with a remote control. They're the greatest thing ever. Please don't judge my floral arrangements. I literally just stuff and shove and bend and fold until I get it exactly the way I want it. That's probably why I'm not the greatest like fresh florist, but you know, when it comes to dried stuff, the fake stuff, we can make it look good. So I ended up moving this centerpiece to our dining room table, but in the meantime, I just wanted to put some together for the end tables. And you might remember this galvanized bucket from this summer at our patriotic party. I'll link to that video, but I tried to reuse some of those pieces that I thrifted this summer, and I thought it looked really cute with the dried florals and the sunflowers for the fall. And I am in no way, shape, or form a professional decorator, but I always try to add a little height to the corner of these tables just because it's such a large space to fill. And then I do try to pick a focal point on the table and then kind of have everything come around that focal point. So I'm going to add a picture frame here in a moment to this area and then fill in with the little pumpkins just to give it those cozy fall vibes. And really decorating the end tables in the living room is just to distract from the awful tables themselves. So this is just a trick to pull your eye towards the decor and not the table itself. We have needed new end tables in our living room for a long time. It's like one of those things you forget about and you kind of put off, or at least I do. But it's on my list of things I would like to upgrade. So in the kitchen, I'm still putting away the red, white, and blue, and I'm really just bringing in more of those earth tones and the textures of fall for right now. Adding a little bit of greenery, the amber bottles, but before I know it, it will be time to be doing my spooky shelves for Halloween. So right now I'm just keeping it clean and a little bit more warm colors and textures for the fall. And while we're in the kitchen, I thought I would take a second just to kind of clean up our pantry area. It does just get a little bit out of sorts with daily use, but it's actually held up pretty well. If you remember the video I shared earlier this year about refreshing our pantry, and if not, I will link it above too. But it has worked out really good to have this open pantry the way that it is, and I think it looks cute when it's all freshened up. So I went ahead and took the time to clean it up a little bit and reorganize. It just feels so good to have these fall elements in our homes. There's just this sense of calm amidst the chaos of, and the busyness of fall, but there's just something about coming home to those warm tones and little cozy elements that make it so worth the effort and time putting into the decor. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video today and hopefully found some inspiration to put out those fall touches in your home as well if you haven't already. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I would love it if you would subscribe to our channel so we can hang out again soon. And we will be back before you know it with some Halloween decor. So you guys take care, and I'll see you again here next time. Bye.